Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. How are you today, David?
I'm, I'm good, but I'm also hungry.
Hungry? Why? Didn't you eat breakfast?
I did, but I'm on a diet.
A diet? Again?
Yes, I started this Monday. Today is Tuesday.
Haha, David, you always start diets on Monday.
I know, but this time is different.
That's what you said last time, and the time before that.
Okay, you're right, but I'm trying.
So, everyone, today's topic is very funny.
Yes, we are talking about starting a diet on Monday and breaking it on Tuesday.
Haha, this happens to everyone.
It's so true. On Monday, you say, yes, I will eat healthy.
And on Tuesday, you eat pizza.
Exactly.
Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click that subscribe button and give us a like.
Share this video with your friends because maybe they do this too.
Yes, everyone breaks their diet.
Okay, let's start.
So, Olivia, do you start diets on Monday?
Yes, I do. Every Monday.
See, everyone does it.
I know, but why Monday? Why not Wednesday or Thursday?
Good question. I think Monday is a fresh start.
Fresh start. This means a new beginning.
Yes, the weekend is over. Monday is a new week.
So on Monday morning, you feel motivated.
Exactly. On Monday, I wake up and think, today is the day. I will eat healthy.
Haha, what do you eat on Monday?
For breakfast, I eat oatmeal.
Oatmeal. This is a healthy breakfast. It's made from oats.
Yes, and I drink green tea.
Wow, green tea. Very healthy.
I know. I feel so good on Monday morning.
What about lunch?
For lunch, I eat a salad. A big salad.
A salad with vegetables?
Yes, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots.
That sounds healthy.
It is. And for dinner, I eat grilled chicken and broccoli.
Broccoli. This is a green vegetable.
Yes, I don't like broccoli, but it's healthy.
Haha, you eat it anyway.
Yes, because on Monday, I am strong.
So motivated.
Yes, on Monday, I think, I can do this. I will lose weight.
Lose weight. This means to become thinner.
Right. I want to lose 5 kilograms.
5 kilograms. That's a lot.
I know, but on Monday, I feel like I can do anything.
Monday motivation is real.
Yes, but then Tuesday comes.
Oh no. Tuesday? Okay, David, so what happens on Tuesday?
Tuesday is the problem day.
Why? What's wrong with Tuesday?
Well, on Tuesday morning, I wake up and I'm tired.
Tired? Why?
Because Monday was hard. I was hungry all day.
Haha, the diet made you hungry.
Yes. So on Tuesday, I think maybe just one cookie.
Just one cookie? Famous last words.
I know, but I eat the cookie, and it tastes so good.
Of course it does. Cookies are delicious.
Then I think, well, I already ate one cookie. Maybe I can eat two.
2 cookies. And then?
Then I eat the whole box.
The whole box? David!
I know. I can't stop.
Haha, this is so funny and so true.
What about you, Olivia? What happens on your Tuesday?
Oh, my Tuesday is worse.
Worse? Tell us.
Okay, so on Tuesday, my coworker brings donuts to the office.
Donuts? Oh no.
Yes, donuts. These are sweet, round cakes.
With chocolate and sprinkles?
Yes, chocolate donuts. My favorite.
What do you do?
First, I say, no thank you. I'm on a diet.
Good. You are strong.
But the donuts look so good.
I know that feeling.
So I walk past the donuts once, twice, 3 times.
You're thinking about them.
Yes, I can't stop thinking. And finally, I take one.
Just one?
Just one. I eat it, and it's delicious.
And then?
I take another one.
Of course.
By the end of the day, I ate 3 donuts.
3 donuts? Your diet is over.
I know. On Tuesday, my diet always dies.
Dies? This means it ends? It's finished?
Yes, my Monday motivation is gone.
It happens to all of us.
Do you know what's funny?
What?
After I eat the donuts, I think, well, the diet is broken. I can eat anything now.
Ha ha ha. Yes, that's the worst part.
So for dinner on Tuesday, I order pizza.
Pizza? With extra cheese?
Yes, and French fries.
French fries? These are fried potatoes.
Yes, so unhealthy, but so good.
I do the same thing. On Tuesday, I eat everything.
Haha, we're so bad.
I know, but why do we do this?
Good question, David. Why do we break our diets on Tuesday?
I think there are a few reasons.
Okay, let's talk about them.
First, the diet is too strict.
Strict. This means very hard. Too many rules.
Yes, on Monday we say no sugar, no bread, no pasta.
That's too much.
Right. We cut out everything, and our body gets angry.
Our body wants food, real food.
Exactly. So on Tuesday, we can't resist.
Resist. This means to say no, to stop yourself.
Right. We can't resist the cookies, the donuts, the pizza.
What's the second reason?
The second reason is we are too hard on ourselves.
Too hard on ourselves means we judge ourselves. We are not kind to ourselves.
Yes, we think, I must be perfect. I must not eat any bad food.
But nobody is perfect.
Exactly. And when we eat one cookie, we feel bad.
We think, ugh, no, I failed. The diet is over.
Failed. This means we didn't succeed. We didn't do it.
But eating one cookie is not failing.
That's right. It's okay to eat one cookie. It's not the end of the world.
But we think, I already broke the diet, so now I can eat everything.
Yes, this is called all or nothing thinking.
All or nothing. This means everything is perfect or everything is terrible.
Right. There is no middle.
But there should be a middle.
Exactly. What's the third reason?
The third reason is we don't have a plan.
A plan?
Yes, on Monday we say, I will eat healthy, but we don't plan how.
Oh, that's true.
We don't prepare. This means to get ready, to make things before.
Right. We don't prepare healthy food.
So when Tuesday comes and we are hungry, we don't have good food.
So we eat cookies or donuts or pizza.
Exactly, because it's easy.
And it's fast.
Yes, but it's not healthy.
So the problem is we don't prepare.
Right. And the fourth reason is we expect quick results.
Quick results. This means we want to see changes fast.
Yes, we think, I will lose 5 kilos in 1 week.
But that's not realistic.
Realistic. This means possible, real.
Right. Losing weight takes time.
But on Monday, we feel excited. We think it will be easy.
And on Tuesday, we feel disappointed.
Disappointed. This means sad because something didn't happen.
Yes, we think this is too hard. I quit.
Quit. Quit. This means to stop, to give up.
So those are the reasons.
Yes, too strict, too hard on ourselves, no plan, and expecting quick results.
But is there a solution?
Yes, let's talk about it.
Okay, so we know the problem. Now let's talk about solutions.
Yes, real tips, not crazy diet tips.
Exactly. So tip number 1, don't be too strict.
Yes, you can eat cookies, you can eat pizza, but not every day.
Right. Maybe once a week.
Yes, balance is important.
Balance. This means not too much, not too little, just right.
Exactly. Tip number 2, be kind to yourself.
Yes. If you eat one cookie, it's okay. Don't say, I'm terrible. I failed.
Just say, okay, I ate 1 cookie. Tomorrow I will do better.
Exactly. One cookie is not the end.
Tip number 3, make a plan.
Yes. On Sunday, prepare your food for the week.
Prepare. Cook healthy meals, put them in the fridge.
That's smart. Then, on Tuesday, when you are hungry, you have good food.
You don't need to order pizza.
Right. Tip number 4, set realistic goals.
Goals. GOALS. These are things you want to achieve.
Yes. Don't say, I will lose 10 kilos in 1 week.
That's impossible.
Say, I will lose 1 kilo this month.
That's better. Small goals are easier.
And tip number 5, don't start on Monday.
What? Don't start on Monday?
I mean, don't wait for Monday.
Oh, I see.
Start today. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect day.
Because there is no perfect day.
Exactly. Every day is a good day to start.
That's true. I like this tip.
And one more thing.
What?
Don't call it a diet.
Don't call it a diet? Why?
Because diet sounds temporary.
Temporary. This means not forever, just for a short time.
Right. We think, I will do this diet for 2 weeks, then I will stop.
But eating healthy should be forever.
Exactly. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle.
Lifestyle. This means the way you live.
Yes, healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a temporary diet.
I love that. Great tip.
So, to summarize.
Summarize. This means to say the main points again.
Right. So our tips are, don't be too strict, be kind to yourself, make a plan, set realistic goals, and start today.
And don't call it a diet. Call it a lifestyle.
Perfect.
Okay, everyone. That's our episode for today.
We talked about starting diets on Monday and breaking them on Tuesday.
It happens to everyone. Don't feel bad.
Just remember our tips. Be kind to yourself, make a plan, start small.
And before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click that subscribe button right now.
Give us a like, leave a comment.
Tell us, do you start diets on Monday? Do you break them on Tuesday?
We want to hear your stories. Write in the comments.
And share this video with your friends, because they probably do this too.
Yes, everyone breaks their diet.
It's normal. It's human.
Okay, thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Keep learning English and maybe eat some vegetables.
Yes. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.